Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to update Angry Birds 2 on your Android device. If you want to update your Angry Birds 2 game on your device, then follow along till the end. First of all, on your Android device, open up your Google Play Store, whereas for your iOS device, open up your App Store. Now in the search box, type down Angry Birds 2. From the search result, look for the Angry Birds 2 app and open up this page. If you see an update button, tap on the update button immediately to download the latest version of the app. If you don't see the update button on this page, then this means you are currently running the latest version already. If the update is available, you'll be able to update your application. Ensure that your device is running on Android 7 or higher to continue receiving updates as per the game's latest requirements. So that's how you easily update Angry Birds 2 on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.